Welcome friends, in this video I am going to show you how to construct binary tree and traverse as follows: in order, pre-order and post order. So let's start it. At first what you have to do is that you have to use header file h include stdio.h, and then for dynamic memory allocation you have to use stdlib.h. then just create structure. What you have to do is that you have to use linked list. So for this purpose we have to create structure. So at first define structure. We know that how to define structure. At first we have to write type def struct node. Then what you have to, this node have three components: one is data, two is next part, and one is previous part. In data, and for we can use previous or next or left and right, whatever, it's same. So we create node type struct and then pointer left, and after that we have to make node struct right. So now we give this structure name as BT, it means binary tree. So now what you have to do is that you have to use a create function. At first, why you have to create function? Because you have to create node. So for this purpose we have to create a function. So what we have to do is that we have to create node, node type function, node create, and we have to pass structure. After that we have to, what I have said earlier, I have said in order, pre-order, traverse, we have to use in three ways. So we have to declare this function also, and its return type would be void. You can return boolean, whatever you want. I use only void, it means nothing return. So void in order, void pre-order, and we have to remember that we have to pass the parameter BT, and we have to use this asterisk because we have to pass the address. If we do not use pointer, we cannot update all the time, so we have to notice it very carefully. So now function declaration has been done. So what you have to do, we have to, at first, you know, the in the C program execution start from main, then we have to, I use int main. You can use void main, whatever you want. I use int main. Now just use printf to print display binary tree. Then after printf /n is used to go to the cursor next line. Now what you have to do is that we have to call the function. So what is the type? Type is BT. Then we have to create a pointer, which is the type of node type. It means it's also node type, you can declare, but I have give the name BT. So you have to use BT star ptr pointer. Then what you have to do, you have to call it, then ptr equals to create. Then what you have to pass this. Okay, now I want to simplify this problem more efficient way. Just I can't pass any parameter, just it return node type. Okay, then create, then create function is called here. So what our task is now is that we have to create note function. So don't need to write as the video is going on. I will give full code in my description below, so don't need to write, you will get from there. Okay, just create node function, then node star create. After, what you have to do is that you have to use, now we have to declare a variable which is type of node, and it will be pointer. Then after I declare a variable, that is int, suppose data enter. So what it do is that, what it will be done is that we ask user to give a value of a binary tree, it means a node. So now it's time to give output of user, to inform user that user should give a node. So it will be become first node. Okay, then enter data. Then after I want to write here -9. -9 will be used for no data. You have to remember, -9 will be used for no data. Suppose when user enter -9, it will be the left or right, whatever it is, the node of the left child or right child of a node, it will be null. Okay, then let's write. Then scanf is used for taking data from user, data enter. Okay, now what you have to do, after taking data from user, we have to store it. Then we have to use dynamic memory allocation, it means malloc. Then p equals to, you know the which is the type of malloc, because we have declared it node star type, it must be node star malloc, and size of it node type. Or you can just direct create bt also. I want to change something here, just I have already defined this bt name. So what you have to do here, we have to give the use bt instead of node. If you write here also node, you can give here node, but I have used, for this reason we have to correct here. So now what you have to do is that it's all right, then it's all right, then it will be bt, then it's will be bt, then it will be bt, then size of it will be bt. So after I have just said that -9 for what purpose, for null. So if data enter user by equals to, if it will be 9, then what it will be null. Then not only null, we have to return it, because it's return something, we have to return null. So now what you have to do is that, as I have taken data from user, then we have to define this, the node data part. Here I have already declared it. So here this, what is the pointer type, p, then it will not be dot, it will be arrow, because it is a pointer. Then it will be data equals to data enter. Then what you have to ask user to give the left or right node of a tree. Then what you have to do is that, just printf, tell the user, so enter left data, or it means left data means it's left child and right child. You know the one node have two child, that is left child and right child. Enter the left child. Then after what you have to, here you have to just care about that, you have to use recursion. What I am saying, you have to use recursion because it will call itself again and again. Then what you have to do is that p left equals to create. This function will be created because whenever the control will be come here, then it will go back again here. You have to remember that. And for the left child also it will be occur in the same way. So for right child, so tell user to give intro, enter right child, then p right equals to create. So now what you have to do, it is a BT type, it means it's something, this is this node type. Okay, you have to return this pointer also, return p. Now node function, create function done. What you have to do is that I have already declared pre-order, post order and pre-order, in order and post order. So our task is we have to use in order, pre-order, post order. So go to main. Inside main you have to call the pre-order, post order, in order. So at first use printf, it will be in order. In order it will be this type. So then use pre-order, in order, then you have to pass BT. Remember here this PTR means always it will be root, because this binary tree will construct, if you construct binary tree it will come from root, so every time you have to pass root. Its PTR means here it is root. Then for post order, print. So at first in order, after I want to do pre-order. So pre-order, then we have to call the function this pre-order, then you have to start, always you have to pass root. Then after now post order, in order have done, pre-order have done. No, we have not already defined the function, but just I want to call this function, and after that I want to declare all, I want to define all the function clearly. I will show one by one. Don't need to write code with this video as it going on. Just watch the video carefully, and after that I will give this full code in my description, so no need to be worried. Now post order, PTO, then you know int main, it's the return type is int, always main always return something. I want to return 1, return 1. So now int main function done. Now our task is use in order, pre-order and post order. At first I will do in order, then its type void. At first I have declared in order, then it will I root, and then I just have written, and then I will do one by one. Pre-order, BT star root, and then after post order, POST Now I have to write code inside this function. So now what you have to do, here we have to check it is null or not. Until it is null, we have to execute if statement. Then if root not equals to null, then what you have to do is that printf, no, it's in order. You have to, at first you have to left, then root, then right. Means at first it will go left and then print root and then right. Then what you have to do, root left, and after printing data %d, just root data, and after the root right. So for in order, at first left, then root, then right, and for pre-order it will print first. Remember, you have to be remember, it will print first for pre-order. Pre mean it first, and in order mean in middle, and for last it will be in the last after right. Okay, I will show you, and just I want to copy this, and for pre-order it will be same, root null. You have to just change what you have to change. You have to just pre-order means it will at first print data, then it will go left, after that it will go right. So now only remain post order. So after this, please just correct few more things. Here I have written node struct, but it will become struct node. It will become struct node. Okay, just correct it. And after that, I have forgotten to give here semicolon, and after that the last one it will be null. I have written in small letter, but it will be all capital letter. Okay, then I want to execute. Now just check here, all will be no error. I hope so. Yes, 0 error. After that I want to run. Okay, I have to give the first root. Suppose root is 10, then after, then tell enter left child. I want to give 5, and you have to tell the left child of 5. I just want to correct something. Just here please write enter right left child of what, of this data will be entered by user. So %d will be used for specifier. Then what you have to do, then ping data. Then after that, please write the same things of here also. Just copy it and write it here. Okay, now just compile again. See here, no error. Just run it. Here enter data. Just at first give the root 10, then you have to, and this program will tell you that please write the left child, then give suppose 5. Then after left child you have to give something. Okay, let's give 1, and after 1 I want to give nothing. Okay, then for no data what you have to written, what you have to write is -9. Okay, -9. Then if -9, then this right data will be asked by you. Then just I don't want to give the 9, nothing, no data. For you have to use 9. Then see it goes the 5. Okay, see there goes the 5. Then I want to give 3. Okay, it also say that left child 3. Okay, you can use your own binary tree, you can use it, but I just want to show you what it will work right way or not. please note it. I just here you have to call this, also you have to call it just recursion. So you have to check, you have to just write everything in this. You have to call in order, then pre-order, then post order. Just correct it. Then left. After that it will be in order. After correcting it, remember it will also call the recursion way. Okay, just correct it. I have corrected. Now it's time to run. I want to construct this tree. At first you have to, what you have to do is that you have to write 10, then write 10. Okay, it's tell that it ask us to give the left child. It means 5. I want to enter 5. Okay, let's enter 5. Then after giving input 5, it's tell us that please give the left child of 5. What left child? I written 30. Okay, enter 30. After 30 it will show that left child of 30, left child of 30 and right child of 30 nothing. So left child of 30 will be -9. Why use for -9? -9 will use for no data. It's already written here, so -9. So now it said that please enter the right child of 30. So we have to, so here no right child of 30, then what you have to do? You have to do just -9 for no data. So -9, enter. After completing 30, then now it's time for 5. See, I have given 30. For this reason it asks us to give the right child. You have to remember that right child, its right child will be 40. Okay, just give 40. After 40 it will ask that give the left and right child of 40. So here no child, so I want to give -9 for no data. -9. Done. Now it's time for 10. Here I have given already 5. I have already given 10. Now it's asked me the right child of 10. Now I want to give 20. 20. Then after 20 it says that please give the left child. So I want to give only 9. Okay, then after 9 it shows that please, as serial wise is after 9, here no left or right child of 9, so null. It means I want to give 9, so that it will be for no data, -9. And after here you have no right child, so it will be no data. So what you have to do? -9. Now it shows the enter right child of 20. I have given 29 after right child. Right child means 1000. Just give 1000. Enter. And left, here no and left or right. Just give -9 and -9. After that it will shows us in order, pre-order and post order. Okay, just see. This is the answer of this. In order means at first left, then root, then right, then at first come left here 30, then after it going 5 and then right 50, then going 10, then after 20, see here's 20 and after 100. So in this way in order, pre-order, post order are done. Please, if you like this video, please share it, and if you want to get more this type of video, just subscribe my channel and just support me. So thank you for watching this full video. See you in next video. Bye bye.